We're just going to go out and do some trails in the Peak District. Hurrah! First time I've been on that bike since I bought it in February.
Oh dear, immediately. Back. Yeah, just steady. Not ridden these bikes. Yeah, I stalled as soon as we turned off the road because I was in the wrong gear. So welcome to the Peak District. I'm on a 500 EXC KTM thing, and it's the first time out riding enduro since I did the Beacons Rally in September 2019. Obviously COVID has killed most of this year's riding and rallies, but it's a couple of days after Christmas. We're going out and doing a few miles. Even though it woke up to snow, it actually turned out beautiful. Out there's Ollie, who built this bike. So we're aiming today to do about a 50-mile loop. It's now 1 o'clock. We've had a few issues with my bike. The bike feels really good, handling quite well. Woo! Oh, that's the biggest challenge for me for a long time. That was good. Have you? Fucking hell. That's the biggest challenge I've done on a bike in a long time.
This is the new, what is it, 2015 KTM 500 EXC. And what have we done to it, Ollie?
you've got an enduro mass by MST in Italy. You've got a 15.5 litre service large tank on it. You've got your Montana Note with a powered bracket. You've got a set of ET Racing steering, ET Racing
Radiator guards.
ET Racing steering dampener and mount kit.
That's mega. That actually is the best thing about it.
What else have we got? Oh, AXP
Back plate. That boy. Oi. It is, isn't it?
All available at Wrench Ride.
All available at Wrench Ride. Great plug.
Facebook or Instagram, yeah. And yeah.
And he also does storage as well.
Yeah.
We're currently on the UK TET, Trans-European Trail, and oh fuck, visor's misted. Wait! Trying to keep my visor down because I've just taken something in the eye. Should have brought some glasses. For saying the amount of rain we've had over the last few days is actually not that wet. Thought it'd be absolutely bogged down to hell, but it's not at all. It's good. All the rays, the risk of going around that you might hit a box. Oh, this is lovely. This is absolutely beautiful. Whoa! That's the end of the day. It's a bit dark, so you probably can't see this. But we made it. What a fabulous day that's been. A good run out for the new bike. Now we're going to load up the van, have a cup of tea and bugger off. See you later.